We are at our brand new facility. This is our material recovery facility here in North Arlington, New Jersey. We are very proud of this building, and we have partnered with Rover, not only protect our building, but to protect our people. So everyone that sees the Rover system in action for the first time is obviously in awe because of how the system operates. It allows our employees to understand a real threat is out there prior to the fire actually igniting. Lithium batteries or some other substance, propane tanks, electric bikes, scooters, the vapes. People don't realize that that small little vape, what damage it can cause. Sometimes it could be just smoke and that's it. Other times there could be an explosion where one fire becomes 5 fires. When you're dealing with a building of this size, besides the cost of between $30 and $40 million, your designs must include protection. In order to purchase insurance on a material recovery facility today, you have to ensure that you have protection. If you do not have that added protection from the Rover system, it'd be very difficult to obtain that insurance. We have 2 boxes of Rover here to protect our building, and the reason for that is obviously the size. So we wanted to make sure we had the max protection here. When you're in your drawing phase, your engineering phase, the Rover system should be the first choice. It's good to partner with someone that cares as much about the industry as we do. It ensures protection to your building. You don't want to go into the building and secondhand and then install some sort of system that may give you protection. You want to make sure that you have the best system out there, which is the Rover system today.